Hello guys, hello. US dollar is falling, and it's not falling 1%, it's not falling 0.5%. It's literally sky falling because it doesn't stop anymore. So it's trading at the moment at 104,337. Only yesterday, so not even 24 hours, it was trading at 107,500. My friends, this is insane, okay? We're talking about pretty much half, so 3,000 points fall in less than 24 hours. As euro dollar is skyrocketing, all right? Euro dollar is trading at the moment at 108, pretty much 108, 107.91. So let's call it 108 when I've looked at before it was 108, and it was trading yesterday at 103,500. Sorry, not yesterday, on Monday it was trading at 103,500. So that's an insane as well, pretty much 400 pips in less than a week. That's insane. What is going on with the US dollar? What's happening? As of course Bitcoin keeps going up slowly but surely. All right, but before we go any further, guys, please hit this button here that is the thumbs up. Hit this thumbs up now, subscribe to the channel, and share this content with your friends, because this is so important to us. It shows YouTube that you're actually liking the video, and then share to other people with like-minded, like me and you and everyone else that watches here. And don't forget that today from 5 to 6 p.m. I'm gonna be live, okay? I'm sorry from yesterday, we didn't have the video as well, we didn't have the webinar. I wasn't feeling too well. I'm very well now, but sometimes I feel very dizzy, and it's just my health. I can't do much, but I'm back today. Okay. So we saw the US dollar having a big fall, we saw the euro dollar having a huge rise. What's going on with the US dollar? So basically, remember that Trump said that he would impose the 25% tariffs on Canada, Mexico as well, 10% on China on yesterday, on the 5th for us, but on the 4th for USA. Well, he did, but just not in a completely way that everyone was expecting. So he implemented the 25% tariffs, but he didn't implement 25% tariffs on automobile, so on cars, okay? So whatever cars is being sold from Canada, Mexico, China to US, it's not getting the 25% tariff. And that, of course, make the US dollar very weak, because everyone was expecting something, and now it didn't happen, and no one is believing on Trump anymore. And then even with good data that we had today from like S&P Global Services PMI, that consensus was 49.7 and came up to be 51. It didn't even flinch on positive side for USD, and the ISM manufacturing PMI as well was expected to come at 52.5, and the actual came in at 53.5, so it didn't even flinch as well. So there is plenty of things happening at the moment on the market, and we can't just close our eyes and make that nothing is happening. You have to be up to date. You have to be reading those headlines. Trump is the main driver of the US dollar, of the whole Forex market pretty much at the moment. And he not going with his word, it's not good. It's really not good. And it won't make the US dollar strong, at least on the short term. The Bitcoin has been rising because there's two reasons, right? Pretty much the first reason is on the USA stocks. So if USA stocks goes up, Bitcoin goes up. If US stocks goes down, Bitcoin goes down. Yesterday on 3 p.m. Australia time, we had a huge rise on USA stocks, and then we saw a huge rise on Bitcoin as well. Most likely we will continue to have another rise today, and then tomorrow a little bit more, and then on Friday, on Saturday and Sunday, somewhere of a consolidation. And then don't forget that on the 7th for US, on the 8th for us, we're going to be having there's sort of like a summit from US President Trump, where he's going to address what is his priorities at the moment. People will be able to ask questions for him. So anything related to Bitcoin, tariffs, taxation, and immigration will be heavily influencing the volatility on the market. Okay, so if you want to know more about this sort of topics, don't forget that today, 5 to 6 p.m, I will be live and I will be waiting for you. So make sure to join my Telegram. The link is on the description. And soon it hits 5 p.m, I will be sending the link to everyone. And don't forget, thumbs up, share this content with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, I see you tonight, or I see you in the next video. See you.